我敢保证，今晚的舞会一定会很好玩。
我会告诉你应该注意一些什么事，
包括我应该穿什么衣服吗？
这个包在
我
我身上。
啊！
Skirts that billow, sleeves that tie are the only things to wear at the ball. Tease your hair up 3 feet high if you want to show your flair at the ball.
Why wear what those stuffy girls are wearing? I think seaweed wraps are quite the height of style. Pineapple is naturally daring. Wear a fruit cup and a smile. That's it.
Something satin, throw a hat in, and a purple parasol. That's how to make an entrance at the ball.
In a panic, think organic. Look at this, one size fits all. Now you can be the beauty at the ball.
I think you should lose the silly nest thing.
No way!
I'm the one who's been to these before. I know orange taffy does the best thing.
Yes, the best thing to ignore. There! Skirt.
Dress.
Loose.
Tight.
More.
Less.
Drab.
Right.
No.
Yes. Right. Stop.
There is something good in what you're saying. I know if I go, I want to look my best. And you're right, my choices should reflect me, but I can't be underdressed. I look nice in island blue. I can find you some of that by the wall. Fine designs, all curly Q.
I will sketch you all the shapes I recall.
Something pink is fun to try.
You can use this as a wrap or a shawl.
Sparkle like the evening sky.
And with this, you're guaranteed to enthrall.
真美，但是还差一点，还少了一样东西。
Oh, please accept these. Do you think they'll do?
Azul, your gift makes this a dream come true.
Now you'll take their breath away.
We can see you'll be the jewel of them all. Last of all, a rose bouquet.
You're going to have a great time at. I'm going to have a great time at. You're going to have a great time at the ball.
请问，除了竖琴之外，你还喜欢什么，公主殿下？
这个嘛，我喜欢歌剧。你呢？
不是很喜欢。
那你都喜欢做些什么活动？除了航海旅行，还有吗？
我喜欢户外活动。你喜欢骑马或爬山吗？
不太有兴趣。
哎呀，多么相配的一对佳偶啊，让人忍不住想盯着你们瞧呢。
他们的目光焦点应该是你美丽的女儿。对不起，失陪了。哇哦，我能一起跳吗？
哇！